Guys, this is Mr. Mitchell. Hopefully you enjoyed the game last night. How could Atlanta lose that game? Nevertheless, I don't even want to get started on that. Guys, today we're going to be learning about solving a system of inequalities. So I want you to go ahead and pause the video at this time, and you're going to write down the steps for solving a system of inequality. Go ahead, take a minute, pause the video, and write down these steps. Okay, guys, now as we learn how to solve systems of inequalities, we have to graph. It does involve graphing. So we have to graph two equations in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to go ahead and separate these two so that we can write each one in slope-intercept form. And then we're going to graph. So we're going to have minus 3x from both sides of this equation. We're going to have y greater than, sorry about that, 3x plus 4. Again, y greater than negative 3x plus 4. Let's come on this side. We're going to subtract an x. Those cancel out. We're going to have a negative y less than or equal to negative x plus 8. We have to distribute the negative 1 because we can't have a negative leading our variable. So it's going to give us y. Don't forget to change the inequality symbol. Greater than or equal to x minus 8. So now we have our two equations that we can start graphing. So remember, we definitely need y equals mx plus b, where b represents the y intercept and m represents the slope. So this is what we're going to do now. Let's graph this one. I'm going to use blue. So we're going to start at 4, which is here. Then we're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1. Repeat the pattern, 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. So now I'm going to grab my blue, or what color do I need? I need this red line. I need a dashed line. I'm going to extend it. Oh, don't want to do that. So I'm going to extend my line. I'm going to get it to where it's going through the points. Again, you want to use a dashed line. Next, we can use red. Or let's use black. So now I'm going to start at negative 8. Wow. Negative 8 there. I'm going to go up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. So I can see the pattern. So I'm going to grab the blue line. Spring it over. Just kind of flip it around. Move it down. Look like it's going to line up. And I'm going to extend it. So now, based on previous lessons, we know that we're going to graph. This says y greater than 3x plus 4. So we're going to graph above. Make some big marks. So it's all above. And then y greater than or equal to x minus 8 is also going to be above. So all of this is going to be above the line. Okay, but this portion will only be my solution. Okay, it's where the two overlap. So I'm going to leave a little blue. Again, this section is where my two lines intersect, or the two graphs would overlap. So I know this looks kind of messy, but this would be my solution. This is not, only where the two lines intersect. So I want you guys to go ahead, try this question. Go ahead and pause it, and then I'll reveal the correct answer. See you guys in a few minutes.